Hey, I will make a short introduction of our modular. See, this is our modular generator. In this screen, it will tell you which part is broken or which part have any problem. And this is the modular part. It consists with part by part. You see, it is totally different. And if any part have problem, just change it. When the buyer buy our machine, we will prepare for some modular to them. See, it's very easy. And this one is the traditional twin tower. If the traditional twin tower have any problem, you only have one choice: buy a new one, because you cannot just cut it. You cannot change anything inside. And the traditional material is this one. This thing is separating the gas except oxygen. It will stick those gas. And our material is this one. It's much bigger. This can make our machine working over 10 years and with no problems.